Okay, so let's go through the steps of how we're going to use substitution, and then we'll spend the rest of the time in your notes actually practicing it. I've already written step one here. Um, we're going to take one of your equations and actually solve for y. Now, the reality is it doesn't matter which variable you solve for, but since we're just starting this out and you're kind of new to it, let's all solve for the same variable. You're going to have an x and a y in each equation. So you can choose, and I'll show you how to choose which one of the two equations, but the first thing you're going to do is solve one of those equations for y. So you're going to make everything look like y equals, and the rest is going to be on the other side. So that's going to be step one. Step two is you're going to substitute the expression for y, and actually when I say expression, it's going to be whatever you have on this right hand side. So if y is equal to this, then that is your expression. So I'm just going to put, that's what I'm talking about right there. You're going to substitute the expression for y into the other equation. All right? Now, when you do step two, when you substitute in your expression, you're going to notice something very particular is going to happen that makes your life very easy. And you're going to be able to solve for the variable. So that's step three. Solve your variable. And step four will be to go back. So your variable, I guess I should say, you're going to solve, your variable will be x. Okay. So then you're going to go back to the y expression. So it'll be this right here. You'll go back to that with your x and solve for y. And then you'll have your x variable and your y variable. So you'll solve for y, and then you'll write your answer as an ordered pair. So it'll look just like it did when we were graphing the other day. So write answer as ordered pair. So is it simple? Yes. But just like when we were graphing the other day, you can't make any careless mistakes, because if you do, you're throwing the entire process off. So I want you to write these steps down, and then we're going to try a couple of problems. And if you notice in your homework on the back, you've got some word problems. And if you've noticed, I've said once before, they're never going anywhere. So in the next video, we'll do example one and work our way to